If you drop a tennis ball from your balcony, it falls in a straight line. It doesn't vanish, it doesn't split in two, and it definitely isn't falling and standing still at the same time. That's the classical world. But if you zoom in a billion times, those rules break. Electrons are like ghosts that can exist in two places at once. For 100 years, physicists have asked, where is the line? When does this quantum magic stop and our everyday reality begin? Well, the line has been found. A revolutionary discovery has finally given us the answer. You've probably heard of Schrödinger's cat, the poor animal that's supposedly both alive and dead until you open the box. It sounds like madness because we never see zombie cats in real life. Physicists like Niels Bohr thought there was a hard wall separating the tiny quantum world from our big classical one. But they could never find that wall. Was it at the size of a virus, a bacterium, a grain of sand? The mystery of why the magic disappears has haunted science for a century. Then, a study published in Quantum magazine changed the game. They realized we were asking the wrong question. Quantumness isn't a state, it's a resource like heat or fuel, and they just invented the thermometer to measure it. We can now measure the temperature of reality itself. Imagine holding a virus and saying, this is 60% quantum, or a rock and saying, this is 0% quantum. This isn't just a theory, it's a new way to measure how much magic is left in an object before it becomes a boring, classical thing. This thermometer uses complex math to track two key things: superposition, which is being in many states at once, and entanglement, which is being spookily connected across distances. And here's the big reveal. They found that there is no hard line. There is no wall. The entire universe is a spectrum. You and I have a tiny quantum spark inside us, but it's so small, maybe 0.001%, that it gets drowned out by heat and noise from the world around us. This changes everything we know about biology. Are animals using quantum hacks to survive? We've long suspected that migratory birds can see Earth's magnetic field using quantum entanglement in their eyes. We think plants use quantum superposition to transport sunlight with nearly perfect efficiency. With this new thermometer, we can finally prove it. If a bird's eye is quantumly hot, it means nature has been using quantum technology for millions of years while we were still trying to figure out fire. Now for the most mind-bending part. Is your consciousness a quantum effect? Some scientists believe our thoughts aren't just electrical signals, but quantum waves. Are your decisions simply the result of a wave collapsing? Until now, this was just philosophy. But with this new measurement tool, we could potentially point it at a human neuron and find out if we are, quite literally, quantum computers made of meat. The universe isn't just matter and energy, it's a sliding scale of probability. We're moving from an age where we guess how reality works to an age where we can measure it. So, let me ask you, would you rather be a classical being, predictable and solid, or a quantum being, mysterious and full of infinite possibilities? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to SciSlice for more awesome content.